Okay, this is my 1975 Porsche 914 1.8 liter engine. I couldn't find anything to remove the interior door panel, so I'm going to try and make a little video of it. I have a 10 millimeter wrench, a door panel tool to help unsnap the door panels. I got a Phillips head screwdriver and a little screwdriver that will help me take some of the covers off. So anyway, I hope this will be informative for you. The problem is my door will not open from the outside, and I got a feeling it's got probably a broken latch. But in order for me to get the latch out, I have to gain access to the inside. So I'm going to, I don't know how the filming is going to turn out, but I'm going to try. So in order to remove this handle sconce or cover, I'm going to remove the screw. And as you can see, now that's taken off. And the door handle, I don't know if there's a screw in here. Not having any luck there, so we'll move on here. And it looks like there is a Allen screw here, which I'll have to go get. So I'm going to remove these. There's some Phillips head screws. They're on the bottom of this armrest. So I'm going to, there's 3 of them. So I'm going to remove those in place. Okay, so I slid that a little forward and then it dropped down out of there. So I slid it this way and that gained access to, it looks like there's 3 bolts under here, similar to this one. So I'm just going to put you on hold and see, and I'm going to go get the correct things. So hold on just a second. There it is. So let me get the adapter. I'll put this on my 1/4-inch drive. I'll insert the tip, and that way I can ratchet that out. There we go. Now you can better see these clips that this went into to hold this in place. So these went like that and then slid that way. Then you put the screws in, and that's what held it in place. So the only thing that's left is this door handle, and I'm not really sure what it's going to take to get this off. I think probably there are just snaps around this door and then this cover will lift off. But I did a little investigating, and you just pull and this cover pops off so that you can gain access to the screw that's underneath that. There you go. So I'll now take that screw and I'll remove it, and after I get to remove the screw, that crank handle should come off, like so. So now we're going to get ready. This is what I'm going to use to help me remove the clips on the panels. 2. Okay. We're making headway. Well, there's no doubt this panel's been off before because there are not very many clips here holding it on. Okay, so the panel just lifts off just like that. Go. That's the door panel removal. As far as putting that back on, you can see there are clips that go into this hole. So when you put these back on, you need to make sure that these clips are lined up so that it will stay in the right place. So that's one of the things that you need to make sure, like there. Yeah, it's not in there. But you need, there it is. You need to make sure these are in the right place so that your door panel doesn't come loose up here. So anyway, the passenger side door will not open from the outside. So, as you can see, I already have the door panel removed, and according to what they say online, there is, as you can see, there is a nut right here, and on the inside of the panel, let's see if I can get there. So that bolt or nut or whatever you want to call it that needs to be removed also, and I think from reading it's a 4.5 millimeter bolt, so it's going to be difficult to have anything with the camera going and getting that bolt loose. So I'm going to put you on pause and then okay, I got the bolt out, and now we're going to remove this one, this nut right here, and it's a 10 millimeter, and I am going to remove this one, and as you can see, my handle is moving around, so that was kind of nice. It's doing like it's supposed to do. And pretty soon, there's the nut. Pretty soon, oh, okay. So,